So as you can see, I'm right now mixing the experiment A compound. Experiment B is already well mixed. As you can see, the top is perfect now. And Vinayak sir will tell you a bit about why it's important to mix this compound thoroughly.
See, if we mix it, first we have to do the dry mixing. Dry mixing we have to do it. So dry mixing will help us in a thorough mix of the ingredient. So once we add the water, then lumps will not be happen or form in this mixture. So it will be a thorough mix, and after when we add the water, the mix will be proper and it will look like a paste, proper mixture and look like a paste. So it will help us, or it will come to know that the water is added properly. And we have to add the water till it gives a uniform color to the mixture. So in that case, likewise we are going to add the water. So right now we are mixing it. It's called as a dry mix. So that dry mixing we are doing it. Afterwards we will add the water and we will do the wet mixing.
I started the experiment using these molds, which are just normal plastic molds, because they will be easier to weigh. But now I'll be transferring them to these. These are called cube molds. So these are actually used in construction, and the reason why you use these is because when cement sets, it's very hard to remove from molds. So if I leave it here in 1 or 2 days, it'll become so hard that I won't be able to remove it. So actually these molds are openable from the side. So that means that in the center you'll have your compound set. It won't disturb the structure or anything. So I'll be transferring it. Just a few quick questions so that even our viewers can understand. So why is it important that there are no air bubbles in the mixture?
See, air bubbles, if there are air bubbles, then the strength of the concrete of the mixture will get reduced, because that air pockets will be occupied by the air, so there will be a hollowness in the substance. So we need to remove that hollowness, remove the air bubbles. That's why we will need to compact the mixture properly.
So after the compound rests and after it actually becomes solid, what do you think the next step should be? I've said that we should do some physical tests. What do you think?
See, first the tendency or the characteristics of the cement is that after 30 minutes or 1 hour it gets settled. It's time to get settled. And complete settlement will happen in 24 hours. Where we can remove it to molds, and then that substance we have to put into the water for the curing. That is the next step. Once the curing is done for 28 days basically. So we took the results or test on an intermediate levels also. That is on 7 days, on 14 days or on 28 days. But the 28 days is the 100% strength in the substance rate. So normally we rely on the 28 days of testing. So now we will do this testing as per on 28 days or on the 15 days. If the 15 days also, if you get the strength up to 90% or 80%, then automatically on 20 days the strength is going to get more. Because concrete or cement is like such component that it achieves its 100% test strength on 28 days, and in 1 year it achieves 150% strength.